अहानबा पाउसिंग ngarang numidang dagi leptana surakhiba nongna turel gi imai kya wangkhale mafam khara de sing thumba yaure amadi ithai virus lauto haning bagi apamba Manipur gi governor Dr. Nasma Haptullah na phangdokre Kurunjari, STB Pauming Tabi Sing Taranok Sabolo na Pau Sandon Pizri. Ngarang numidang dagi leptana surakhiba nongna turel gi imai kya wangkhale mafam khara de sing thumba yaure. Imphal Sugnu lambi ising thumjin kibana maram oiduna sathok sasin yadre. Imphal Jiri lambi gi National Highway gi Sagolbal Bijoy Govindada Thangapatigi ising pathorokpadagi lambi gi saruk tangkhai amadi ising thumjin ba yaure. Leptana suriba nongna sina makhatana sumak suraklabadi mafam kya da sauna ising sok thorok yai. Amaram da Imphal gi tuan mafam kya da drainage ki phibam phattamana laikai gi lambi kya ising thumjin badagi miyamna sathok sasin tawbada sauna kudong sa da mayoknari Amarom da sakpi turel gi mai wangkhalak padagi lisingani mangada isau da senthakiba sakpi karung thonggi sarukharadu lebak thomjin duna miyamna lanthok lansin tawduna lakibadu ngaseyu amu hana isingna senthakre masina lamdamadung miyamgi khudong sa ro kya mayoknari hairi Ithai virus lauto haning bagi apamba Manipur gi Governor Dr. Nasma Haptullah na phangdokre wafam singasi Council of Scientific Industrial Research ke Northeast Institute of Science and Technology na sinduna lampela leba masigi office ta pangthokpa CSIR aroma missions amadi anthropogenic impacts and their management options in different ecosystems of the Indian Himalayan region Imphal Manipur River Basin haiba program anisi haudopagi thorom da phangdokibani ngasigi program haudopagi the Council of Scientific Industrial Research ke Northeast Institute of Science and Technology Director Dr. D. Raimaha Council of Scientific Industrial Research ke Northeast Institute of Science and Technology Chief Scientist Dr. P. Sengupta Amadi and our Vision 2020 Standing Committee ki hanagi member Professor N. Mohendra Singh Mana atoi bamithunglan sing oina sarwake thawnga mari lehna Governor Dr. Nasma Haptullah na lomi singda phoba makhal gi lemon glass pami sing yan thoki sibges oina sarwake Governor Dr. Nasma Haptullah na makhata na phongdoki bida awang nong pok bharat asi biodiversity ki lamda inakunba lamdam ama oirabasu tuan ba mapan gi lam singdi pusilapa pami singna yoksilakpadagi lamdam asi gi hana leizaramba flora and fauna sing mangsilak na bagi masak oiri masi scientist sing na yengsin basangi loktak ki hauzi ori phibang ni matang na nungnang ba phonglo duna loktak patpu sengna na ba lupa crore lising ani rom thada ki badu mapung phana kana ba phangdriba si tongan ba makhal gi treatment plan ahum semduna loktak ta tarakli ba ising yauna fata haudi sing sengdok pagi tangai fadablei amarom da ithai virus na maram oiduna matama mada leramba loktak ki singi sel thingjin khibana maram oiduna loktak pat ke koibada thoaliba amang masing asi yenglagadi Lokto haning bagi apang wafam phongdoke
3,000 crores have been donated for that project by the government. Allocation is about 3,000 crores. I told him, don't waste your time in the beginning in taking the weed out and throwing on the side because it will flow back into the lake. The most important thing is that out of this money, you should use 3 treatment plants at the edge, at the mouth where they get into the lake, and then start cleaning and remove this barrage because it has to be done in a proper manner. I believe some years ago 2,000 crores were given for cleaning of the Lota. It didn't do any result, it didn't bring anything because the cause is not being taken care of. And this is creating a lot of problem for a farmer because that land. And the other thing is, this is another danger. As the population grows and the land and the lake becomes drier, then the farmers start using it for cultivation. So there should be some law and boundary that beyond this you cannot grow anything over there.
MOBC na mahiroi singi pipam thokpa sahi hong scholarship ke senpam pito o haina dabi tawtuna M sunangasi Security Office ke sarukra amanga tatpon kre Social Welfare Office mamangda leiba Security Office ta leiba MOBC Office tamna M suna lusingba masing yamro mahiroi singna thomjilakhi mafamadu da police amani mahiroi sing marakta sauna na buthoki mahiroi sing irang adu laksina police na tear gas cell kapyauna akan bathabak lokhatki police na mahiroi sing laksina ba lokhatki bathabak adu da mahiroi asopan jawri Ahanba Manipur Rifles ki complex manungda leiriba Sanamahi Temple asi matamga sunabam ongda sanggot haningbugi apamba Temple Board ki maikaidi thamlakle hiramasina report ama
Manipur ki Maharaj Kulachandra ningthau oina palingai English ngama Chanipan Marfudra mathoidagi sakhangduna ngasi fawba haing khongban hairiga khangnaba hauzik Ahanba Manipur Rifles haina khangnariba mafam asida leiriba Sanamahi lining gi license asige tangdangba masagi lamgi pata leitabana license asigi thabak thorum kya pangthokda Jauna apan mathokale hari hauzik leiriba license asigi mingda paksana leiramba lamgi saru British matamda Manipur Rifles ki battalion headquarter oisilakpadagi lining license gi thabakta apan oirakhibani hari matamamada license asigi akoibada ahangba lamhang kya leirambana laigi thorum pangthokpa matamda apan balaitana taunarami adubu ngasidi license gi akoibasingda security gi mafam oisinkhibana apan basing oirakhibani Security zone gi mafam oikibana mafam asida lai khurumba lakpa miyusing matam naina sanghan batarki lanai miyu kyana license asida luklen katpa matamda license gi matik saba mandap leitabana matam gi oina temporary mandap khannana bahona bada ahanba Manipur Rifles ki authority dagi ayaba lawba mathau tari masida natana license asida tawriba amadi tawgada thabak thorum singi report su ahanba Manipur Rifles ki authority singda pikatpa mathau tai hari
akhoi gi tongang bu khudong sada khara akhoi mai nazare ada sang mutamda akhoi gi license da akhoi gi gate leite akhoi gi khom tham bamuna thing leite ada akhoi gi khwang bom matam toilet facility internet leite laifam masi go ba puya library akhoi mathok tai ada guest house mathok tai ada akhoi gi cycle set ada gari set mathok tai
Hauzik license asida lakpa miyu kya first emer ge gate lomdagi changlakpa natana atopa lambi leitri masina lai khurumba lakpa singda asuki matik chauna apan bathogale hari Sanamahi license gi pak chawba si square feet kun by taramapan khak lising machamapan marfuda archaeology monument ek ki makhada preserve toriba license asigi hek manak inak nakna sahi khargi mamangda First emer gi personnel kharana Mahadeva gi license amsu sajilakpadagi madugi wahauda Manipur assembly yonaduna assembly na nauna sajilakliba license adudi first emer gi campus manungda leiriba Mahadev license gi manakta thamnana ba wareb lauki adubu lauki ba wareb adu hauzik phawba thabakta onthoraktri hauzik Manipur sarkar gi makhada leiriba Govindaji temple board ta sarkar ni yengliba midyengum Sanamahi temple board asidasu yenghaningbagi apamba fongdoragli license asigi chapchaba mafam leirabadi laigi thabak thorum kya pangthokpada khudong chahan bada natana malem gi miyam gi mamang de yamna sauthok saningai oigani Manipur sarkar na Sanamahi temple board ki chapchaba mafam yathokpiu hari
lebak miyam gi genasu oiriba khuding mangna ningi ba laise sigi laifam sigi license asi sakol lanbiu ada khoi madik sabal lan biu ar khudong chada bising ase asi panbiriba honorable minister khoi Biren Saina, Honorable Minister Birena and Birena must be can have said Batazaba, Lena, Banbirba government officers in another ministers in so, and she be again soon meaning Tambiakan have said Batabel Tamzari.
All Manipur Surrender Association gi pitokna lemba members singi fund pito haiba dabi tawduna lakliba tangkunda general strike tawgni haina torombadu Chief Minister and Birenga Birena lusingba sarkar asiga yanama porakpadagi khudaktagi handokle haina association kanglakli hauji pawgi maktana tema brematang lamnise
Sky Hospital da world class interventional cardiology ki khudong chab leijare operation tawdana heart ki ahuba menba coronary stenosis balloon na kam thoga stent hapa madi mi hun chongbagi layeng RF ablation singba chahi ani dagi hena Sky Hospital la mai park satharatli loinana PPI ICD combo amasung angiogram gi damak aikoi ki chief cardiologist Dr L Shyam Kishore gatanabiu ningam hogdana ba hana booking tawiu
Aqua Happy. Drink pure, live healthy, we care. Introducing Tata Nexon. It takes the SUV beyond the next level. We call it Level Next. Tata Nexon. Level Next. Bookings open now.
Hakchangi labor sorakpadagi producing aktaba hakchang choktarba tumba chaba yaraktaba khong hama nungaraktaba singidabak amatta ngaraba upaidi jolip syrup amasu jolip capsule bu changni sinabiyo.
Beneath 100 meters from the Earth's surface, naturally filtered through saline stones, pure, clean and healthy water.
Datsun gi no launch toraba yamna powerful oilaba gari ready go 1 liter island nisanda fogbiragani ngasima klapiduna test drive tobiraga gari asi comfort and convenience features in khangbiu booking gi damak links in biru island nissan near standard robert higher secondary school kanchipur akupamaro gi damak tizari pa phone number asda contact tobiru.
Irujo Coaching Institute admission open for 4-month CBSE comprehensive course for class 9, 4-month CBSE revision course for class 10 and 12. Class commencing from 11th October 2017. Class timing 4:45 to 7:30 p.m. Features probable questions, discussion, previous year's questions, discussion, study materials, worksheets, practice test, series, mock test, performance assessment for its students. For details, please contact Irujo Coaching Institute. Contact number 81310256334.
Swarajinge Ture Lai Ture Kari no mantu tije Musi kari yauza Sidi Yoshida nin hai Matsigi Yoshidi Tata Tisko nin hai Adudi Sanagi Mohut Yangna Sinba Yangdre
Break Matu Taranong Sari Makata Pau Singh Manipur gi naha sing phajana sembirabadi hiram khudimakta mai pakpa ngamguni haina Science and Technology Principal Secretary MS Khana ngasi lamlan ba sangla pangthopa World Space Week hodopki thorom haikre Manipur Remote Sensing Application Center na senduna pangthokiba thoromaduda Science and Technology Director Inausa Manipur Remote Sensing Application Center ki Director Dr. N Randhir Susarwa ke Exploring New World in Space haiba team na pangthopa thoromaduda Thoromaduga Mari Lenana, Principal Secretary MS Khan Makatan Haikibada, Manipur Ginaha Singh Sanabamadi Zago Isay Kaktanatana Science and Technology Lamdasu Inaduna, Setpangami, Fazana Tapi Tambirabadi, Hiram Kudimakta Malemgi Tak Yobungam Haike.
Should progress more and more, and if our Department of Science and Technology can be of little help to the society by making more awareness, by motivating them, by taking them to the different places for excursion, tours, popularization of science, I think we are doing some good human service to the society.
Laglibatang kulum doidigi kungamanga forba UP gi Mathura district ki manung sen leiba Radha Kundar pangthokaduriba Rasri Bhagechandra lekidabgi sahi seni taramapal subaning sing thorom da saruk yanabgi dama Manipur gi tuan tuan ba cultural truth samag kun ngasi kunung mamang dagi Parliamentary Secretary Susindro lam thakre Kongsar du mai pakpa soingam yawdu oresno haina Parliamentary Secretary L Susindro na phongloke
Tawuda khoi chali baji je khoi ge tekta kaidana mafam adu yawna ba akhoi ishwar da thomiba adu muthogam
Nupilal da saruga kibi lekhidrabi thona fabi ma singi mafamda langbal tarpan katpagi thoromam pangthokre ngasi Tera Bazar da leba Nupilal Memorial Association sinduna pangthokba thoromaduda lekhidrabi thona fabi ma singi mafamda leisu katune kai kumnabasu utki ngasi gi thoromaduga mari lenena Nupilal Association Manipur ge General Secretary Longzamba Mitei Netazina matamamagi MSCP sarkarna nitai patchu thektagi sanjenthong phawba Nupilal ningsing lambi haina maming thonbiramba adu hauzik paliba BJP ge lenga asina amuk hanna thabak to onthok piu hain arfil torle
Aipa su thektagi na sanjenthong phawba Nupilal road haidana entitled tobi khiba adu hauziki BJP na lit toba sarkar sina nitai pa su thektagi na sanjenthong phawba se Nupilal road haidana maming thonbina bagidamukta tawdang adu lobirakani haiba wafam adumazu association gi maikei tagi akoi nolukchana koi thamjari
ISTV network की सर्विस प्रोवाइडर अमा ओरिबा AXE cables somen khagempali na konba mafam singda ngarang numidang pung taruk tagi ngasi nungthil pung ama phawa khudongsa da kharadagi ISTV network ki program sing miyam da yanganba ngaumkhidabagi damakta nungai taba phondrole All Manipur National Health Mission Employees Welfare Association na hokibitang taramari dagi Manipur ki tongan with district singda health mission ki makhada thabak torbi staff sing na tongan with demand sing yauna service regular tahan biu haina sangselakwe khongjang ge saru ama oina ngasi porom pataleba Imphal ki chief medical officer ki office complex ta wakan mifam setakre wakan mifam aduda 2006 tagi contractor kiba employees lising ani seni hompumanga atu matamda regular tahna ba policy semu haibani singmu kholau ke lauki saru akiba Association ki Assistant General Secretary Sanjanbam Naubana makhui wakalasi tabi drabadi makha taba khongjang ka sangsin badan natana lambi sorok thoroktuna khongjang sangsin ba phire phawa lowa leire phangdorkre Bisnupur district ki Mitai Christian Forum gi Nipalak suba mapokumnan thorom ngarang wangu nodang khongda leba EAC search ta pangthokre tongan tuan bamir kyana saru akiba thoromaduda forum gi president M Deven haikibada aikhoi shoramatagi masani punna honaminaduna hengminnana naba tangai fade haiki
Member Church की भारत का अवाना तावसी अगर पुन्ना सर्वया में ना
लोइसल खुदमरो पाउसिंग अमुकन पिजरे ngarang numidang dagi leptana surakhiba nong natural gi imai kya wangkhale mafam khra de sing thumba yaure amadi ithai virus lautho haning bagi apamba Manipur gi governor Dr. Nasma Haptullah na phangdokre Hoji pawgi de STV ne pizza paw matang story meng tabi phono po mukana khamjare